In this video, we'll walk through the People tab and how to manage your customers and members. This section allows you to view and manage all customers and members associated with your account. Click the plus button to add a new customer. You have several options. You can scan a driver's license, add a member manually, invite them to the RentAAA app, or share a web access link. To add a customer using a driver's license, simply take a photo of the front and back of the customer's driver's license, or upload existing images. RentAAA automatically reads the license details and populates the customer information for you. Review the extracted information, make any necessary changes, and continue to complete the customer profile. To add a customer manually, enter the customer's personal information, including their name, email address or phone number, address, and license details if available. At least one contact method, either an email address or phone number, is required before submitting the profile. Once all required information has been entered, click Submit to create the customer record. Whenever a customer registers through the RentAAA mobile app or via a shared web access link, you will receive a notification. Review the registration request, then verify or reject it. Once a customer is verified, you can allocate bookings to their profile. You can use the search icon to quickly find a specific person. Each profile displays key information such as name, contact details, status, and account balance. Select any profile to view or update customer details, bookings, and account information. You can access and update profile details and other related information over here. The desktop view provides a consolidated overview of all your customers and members. You can search, apply filters, monitor balances and deposits, and access individual profiles to manage customer information with ease. That's it. You can now efficiently manage your customers and members using the People tab.